Hello and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is slow, clear, and easy to follow for English learners. Emma just finished a stressful day at work. Now she is racing across the city with her friend Jake to catch a cheap matinee movie before the price changes. But something goes wrong at the theater. A long line, confusing ticket screens, and one small mistake almost cost them a lot more money. Here is today's listening question. What mistake did Emma almost make at the ticket machine? Listen carefully. The answer comes later in the story. And after you watch, write your answer in the comments. Writing in English helps you remember new words and improve your listening too.
Hey, where are you right now?
I just left the office.
Seriously, the movie starts at 3:30.
I know, traffic is terrible today.
The whole city feels busy right now.
There are so many people outside.
Are you close to the train station?
Almost. I'm walking there now.
Okay, good. We still have time.
I hope so. I really need this movie tonight.
Long day at work?
Very long. My brain is tired.
Then you definitely need popcorn and a movie.
Honestly, yes.
I already checked the movie times online.
Good. I forgot to check earlier.
The matinee starts at 3:30.
And it's cheaper before 4, right?
Yep, much cheaper.
That's why I want the matinee tickets.
Same, regular tickets are expensive now.
Everything is expensive now.
True, even parking near this theater is crazy.
I'm glad we took the train.
Did you eat anything after work?
No, I skipped lunch today too.
Wow, you really had a rough day.
Yeah, I just want to sit down and relax.
This movie should help. The trailer looked amazing.
You watched the trailer again, didn't you?
Maybe 3 times.
Jake,
What? It looks good.
you always do this before action movies.
Because action movies are important.
Sure, very important.
Wait, I think it might rain soon.
Don't say that. I forgot my umbrella.
Relax, you're almost here.
I can finally see the station now.
Nice. Which entrance are you near?
The coffee shop entrance.
Perfect. I know exactly where you are.
Are you already at the theater?
Yeah, I'm outside near the posters.
Is the theater busy?
Pretty busy. A lot of people want the cheap tickets.
Great. Now I'm nervous about the line too.
Don't worry, we planned this well.
Did we?
Okay, maybe not perfectly.
That sounds more honest.
Just get here fast.
I'm trying.
We still have time, Emma.
All right, I'm getting on the train now.
Good. Text me when you arrive.
I will. And Jake,
Yeah?
thanks for waiting for me.
Of course. Movie nights are important too. Finally, you made it.
Barely. That train was so crowded.
Friday afternoons are always like this.
I almost missed my stop.
At least you're here now.
Yeah, I already feel better outside the office.
Work was really that bad?
My manager scheduled 3 meetings today.
3? That should be illegal.
I'm serious. I didn't even finish my coffee.
That explains your face.
Wow, thanks.
I mean, you look tired.
That sounds a little better.
Here, want some gum?
Sure, thanks.
The theater's only a few blocks away.
Good. My feet hurt today.
You need a vacation.
I need sleep first.
Fair point.
Wow, look at that line outside the coffee shop.
People in the city really love coffee.
People in the city need coffee. Also true. Did you already buy tickets online?
No, the app kept freezing earlier.
Seriously?
Yeah, so we're buying them there.
I hope the cheap seats are still available.
We should be okay if we hurry.
I still can't believe how expensive movies are now.
That's why matinee tickets are the best.
Cheaper and quieter.
Exactly. Less noise, less people.
I love afternoon theaters.
Same. Evening crowds are too much sometimes.
Especially on Fridays.
Hey, look at that poster.
Oh yeah, that comedy movie comes out next week.
We should watch that too.
Let's survive today first.
Good point.
Are we still on time?
Yeah, we made good time.
Nice.
You know what sounds good right now?
What?
Theater popcorn.
Of course you were thinking about popcorn again.
Theater popcorn tastes different.
It tastes expensive.
Also true.
Maybe I'll still get some.
That's the spirit.
Honestly, I skipped lunch, so I'm starving now.
Then popcorn is basically dinner.
That sounds unhealthy.
But delicious.
I hate when you make bad ideas sound good.
It's one of my talents.
Wait, is that the theater over there?
Yep, right across the street.
Oh, wow. It looks really busy.
Uh-oh, I see a long line already.
Please don't tell me that's for tickets.
Let's get closer and find out.
Oh no, that line is huge.
Yeah, that's worse than I expected.
There are so many people here.
Everyone wants cheap movie tickets today.
We might miss the matinee.
Relax, we still have options.
What options?
The ticket machines over there.
Oh, right, I forgot about those.
Most people still use the counter.
Good, maybe the machines will be faster.
Let's go before someone else gets there first.
Wow, this lobby is loud.
Friday movie crowds are intense.
I can barely hear you.
That kid behind us is screaming.
He already finished his popcorn too.
Impressive, honestly.
Okay, we're here. Which screen do I touch?
Start with now showing.
Got it.
Do you see the movie title?
Wait, there are 3 versions here.
What?
One says standard, one says 3D, one says IMAX.
Oh, right.
Why are there so many choices?
Because theaters love confusing people.
That actually makes sense.
Which time says 3:30?
This one here.
Wait, that's the 3D version.
Seriously?
Yeah, look at the small symbol beside it.
Oh, wow, I didn't even see that.
The regular version is lower on the screen.
Oh, there it is.
And look at the prices.
Wait, why is the 3D one so expensive?
Special glasses, bigger screen, higher price.
Yeah, no thanks.
I agree, standard is fine for me.
Okay, I'm pressing the regular showing.
Good,
Wait, why does this one say Theater 12?
because that's the room number.
This place has 12 theaters?
Probably more than that.
That feels stressful somehow.
Don't worry, we'll find the right room later.
Okay, 2 tickets?
Yep, 2 adult tickets.
It says select seats.
Nice, maybe we can still get good seats.
Most of the middle seats are gone already.
That's okay. What about those near the back?
These 2?
Yeah, those look good.
All right, I'm selecting them now.
Perfect.
Wait, why did the total suddenly jump higher?
Huh? Let me see.
Oh no, I think I pressed the wrong format again.
Seriously?
This machine is attacking me.
Okay. Let's start over carefully. Okay, deep breath. Let's do this slowly.
I swear this machine hates me.
No, the machine hates everyone equally.
That actually makes me feel better.
All right, start from the beginning again.
Okay, now showing,
Good.
then our movie title.
Perfect.
Now I see standard, 3D, and IMAX again.
Ignore IMAX this time.
Trust me, I will.
Which one says 3:30?
This standard showing right here.
Great, press that one.
Done.
Now check the price before anything else.
Okay, wow, that's much cheaper now.
See, that's the matinee price.
Honestly, the IMAX tickets were crazy expensive.
Yeah, we're not buying concert tickets.
I still can't believe movie tickets cost this much now.
At least matinee prices still exist.
True, small victories.
All right, choose the seats again.
Please tell me the good seats are still there.
The back row looks open.
These 2?
Yeah, those should work.
Selected.
Nice.
Wait, why is the screen asking about reward points?
Just skip it.
There are too many buttons here.
Modern life is exhausting.
Seriously.
Okay, now payment.
I'll use my card.
Good idea. Faster than cash.
Why is my card not working?
What?
It says, please remove card.
Maybe you put it in too fast.
Apparently, I even fail at paying now.
Try again slowly.
Okay.
Did it work?
Wait. Yes.
Nice.
Oh, thank goodness.
We're almost done.
It says printing tickets.
Finally.
That was way more stressful than it should have been.
But now we officially have matinee tickets.
And we saved money.
Exactly. That's the important part.
Honestly, I deserve popcorn after that experience.
I was waiting for you to say that.
Don't get too excited.
Too late. I'm already thinking about butter popcorn.
You think about popcorn way too much.
And yet, I'm still right every time.
Maybe.
Come on, the movie starts soon.
Wait, where are the tickets?
Right there. The machine printed them already.
Oh, wow, I almost walked away without them.
That would have been an amazing ending.
Don't even joke about that.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, one small popcorn, please.
Sure. Anything to drink?
What drinks do you have?
Soda, lemonade, iced tea, and water.
I'll take one lemonade.
Small or medium?
Small is fine.
All right. Anything else?
Actually, how much is the combo?
Which combo?
The popcorn and drink combo.
The small combo is $12.
$12?
Yeah, theater snacks are expensive.
Seriously, the popcorn costs almost as much as my movie ticket.
Honestly, a lot of people say that.
I believe it.
The combo is still cheaper than buying everything separately.
Good point.
You can also upgrade to a medium for $1 more.
That's dangerous information.
Sorry, it's my job.
You sound very proud of it, too.
A little bit.
All right, I'll take the small combo.
Good choice.
My friend already went inside to save seats.
Smart move. It's pretty crowded today.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Everyone wants the matinee price before the weekend.
Honestly, same.
Did you get good seats at least?
Near the back.
Those are usually the best seats anyway.
That's exactly what my friend said.
Your friend sounds smart.
He would love hearing that.
All right, your popcorn is ready.
Wow, that smells amazing.
Fresh batch?
I can tell.
Do you want butter on it?
Just a little.
Most people say that.
And then?
Then they ask for extra butter 5 seconds later.
That sounds realistic.
Here's your lemonade too.
Thanks.
Your total is $12.
Okay, I'll pay with card.
Go ahead.
Please work the first time.
Rough gay with technology?
You have no idea.
Looks like it worked.
Finally, one thing is easy today.
Here's your receipt.
Thanks.
Enjoy the movie.
I will. I really need a relaxing night.
Then you picked the right place.
Hopefully.
The trailer's already started, by the way.
Oh no, I should hurry.
You still have a few minutes.
Okay, good.
Have a great night.
You too.
Finally, you made it back.
Barely. The snack line was long too.
But you brought popcorn, so I forgive you.
Of course that's your priority.
Always.
Here, take your drink.
Thanks. Wow, these seats are actually pretty good.
See? I told you the back seats were perfect.
You were right this time.
This time?
Don't push it.
Fair enough.
Honestly, this whole afternoon felt crazy.
A little bit, yeah.
First, I left work late.
Then the train was packed.
Then we rushed through downtown traffic.
And then we saw that giant ticket line.
I almost gave up at that point.
But we found the ticket machines.
And then I accidentally picked IMAX twice.
That part was pretty funny.
It was stressful.
Stressful and funny.
The prices were insane.
That's why matinee tickets are important.
Seriously, we saved a lot of money.
And we still got good seats.
True.
Plus popcorn.
You really love bringing up popcorn.
Because popcorn makes movie nights better.
Even expensive popcorn?
Especially expensive popcorn.
That makes absolutely no sense.
Movie theater rules are different.
Apparently.
So how was the snack counter?
Pretty good, actually.
Nice cashier?
Yeah, we joked about the popcorn prices.
See, everyone knows movie snacks are overpriced.
It's basically a universal truth.
Exactly.
You know what?
What?
I already feel more relaxed now.
That was the goal tonight.
I really needed this after work.
I could tell earlier.
Sorry if I sounded stressed before.
You're fine. Fridays are rough sometimes.
Yeah,
But now you're here, the movie's starting, and you survived downtown traffic.
honestly, that last part feels impressive.
It should.
Thanks again for waiting for me earlier.
Of course.
Most people would have gone inside already.
Yeah, but movie nights are better with friends.
That's true.
Oh, the lights are getting darker.
Finally.
Ready for the movie?
Definitely.
No more stress tonight.
Just popcorn and explosions.
That sounds perfect.
It really does.
Emma and Jake finally made it. After a busy train ride, a crowded theater, and confusing ticket screens, they were finally able to sit down, relax, and enjoy their movie night together. And Emma almost made one very expensive mistake. You listened carefully through the whole story, and that is amazing practice for your English listening. Now, let's remember today's listening question. What mistake did Emma almost make at the ticket machine? If you know the answer, write it in the comments. Even short English comments are great practice, and writing helps you remember the story longer. If this story helped you relax and practice English, please like and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more calm, real-life conversations in slow and easy English. And if you would like to support more stories like this, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for spending time with us today. Keep listening, keep practicing, and little by little, English will feel more natural every day.